Myself Kishan B.S. I completed MCA in RNSIT Bangalore, and I got 85% in 10th and 47% in PUC and 79% in Masters. After my completion of MCA, I joined Jspiders. I chose Mun Stack Development. So in Jspider Rajajinagar branch, so it is a very good platform for improve our skills in programming, technical and communication, and also grooming classes and mock tests are very helpful for gain our confidence and face the interviews. And about faculties, Sayed sir is a very good teacher uh, who who taught us all the front end, back end, and all the technologies. And he also very friendly. So I gain a lot of knowledge in Jspiders. That's all. Thank you.